Activating GoHenry Chores is a straightforward process that helps parents teach their children the value of money and responsibility. To begin, you need to have a GoHenry account and have set up a child account for your kid. First, log into your GoHenry account and navigate to the child account you want to activate chores for. Click on the Chores tab to access the Chores setup page. Here, you can add a new chore by clicking the Add Chore button and entering the details of the task, including the name, frequency, and reward amount. Assign a specific task to your child, such as cleaning their room or helping with laundry, and set a schedule for how often the task needs to be completed. You can also add a reward amount that will be transferred to your child's GoHenry account when the task is completed. To make it easier for your child to complete their chores, you can set reminders and notifications to alert them when a task is due. This way, your child will stay on track and develop a sense of responsibility. Once you have set up the chores, your child will receive the assigned tasks and reminders on their GoHenry app. They can then mark the tasks as completed, and you will receive a notification to approve or reject the completion. By activating GoHenry Chores, you can help your child develop essential life skills, such as time management, responsibility, and financial literacy. It also provides an opportunity for your child to earn money and make smart financial decisions. To get the most out of GoHenry Chores, make sure to regularly review and update the tasks and reward amounts to reflect your child's changing needs and abilities. You can also use the GoHenry app to track your child's progress and provide feedback and encouragement. By following these steps and using GoHenry Chores effectively, you can help your child develop a strong work ethic and a healthy relationship with money.